Algorand value equivalent to $0.2030 a coin. The present reach: $0.1839, $0.2035. The earlier day close: $0.1844. The change was plus 0.0186, plus 10.09%. Opposite rate: United States dollars to Algo. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost forecast for December 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.13. Greatest cost 28 cents, least cost 13 cents. The normal for the month 20 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 26 cents, change for December 100.0%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Before all else cost at $0.26. Most extreme cost 32 cents, least cost 22 cents. The normal for Algo to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. Initially cost at $0.41. Greatest cost 41 cents, least cost 33 cents. The normal for the month 38 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 35 cents, change for May 14.6%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2024. To start with cost at $0.35. Greatest cost 35 cents, least cost 30 cents. The normal for the month 33 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 32 cents, change for June 8.6%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. At the outset cost at $0.32. Most extreme cost 32 cents, least cost 25 cents. The normal for the month 29 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 27 cents, change for July 15.6%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else cost at $0.27. Most extreme cost 27 cents, least cost 21 cents. The normal for the month 25 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 23 cents, change for August 14.8%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. In the first place cost at $0.23. Greatest cost 23 cents, least cost 18 cents. The normal for the month 21 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 19 cents, change for September 17.4%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2024. To start with cost at $0.19. Greatest cost 19 cents, least cost 17 cents. The normal for the month 18 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 18 cents, change for October 5.3%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for November 2024. At the outset cost at $0.18. Greatest cost 19 cents, least cost 17 cents. The normal for the month 18 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 18 cents, change for November 0.0%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2024. Initially cost at $0.18. Most extreme cost 22 cents, least cost 18 cents. The normal for the month 20 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 21 cents, change for December 16.7%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2026. To start with cost at $0.07. Greatest cost 7 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 7 cents, change for February 0.0%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.07. Greatest cost 9 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 8 cents, change for spring 14.3%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2026. To start with cost at $0.08. Greatest cost 10 cents, least cost 8 cents. The normal for the month 9 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 9 cents, change for April 12.5%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. Before all else cost at $0.09. Most extreme cost 11 cents, least cost 9 cents. The normal for the month 10 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 10 cents, change for May 11.1%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.10. Greatest cost 11 cents, least cost 9 cents. The normal for the month 10 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 10 cents, change for June 0.0%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. Before all else cost at $0.10. Most extreme cost 10 cents, least cost 8 cents. The normal for the month 9 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 9 cents, change for July 10.0%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2026. At the outset cost at $0.09. Most extreme cost 9 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 8 cents, change for August 11.1%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for September 2026. To start with cost at $0.08. Greatest cost 9 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 8 cents, change for September 0.0%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2026. In the first place cost at $0.08. Greatest cost 10 cents, least cost 8 cents. The normal for the month 9 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 9 cents, change for October 12.5%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for November 2026. Before all else cost at $0.09. Most extreme cost 11 cents, least cost 9 cents. The normal for the month 10 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 10 cents, change for November 11.1%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2026. Initially cost at $0.10. Most extreme cost 13 cents, least cost 10 cents. The normal for the month 11 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 12 cents, change for December 20.0%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for January 2027. To start with cost at $0.12. Greatest cost 15 cents, least cost 12 cents. The normal for the month 13 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 14 cents, change for January 16.7%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2027. First and foremost cost at $0.14. Greatest cost 17 cents, least cost 14 cents. The normal for the month 15 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 16 cents, change for February 14.3%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2027. Before all else cost at $0.16. Most extreme cost 16 cents, least cost 14 cents. The normal for the month 15 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 15 cents, change for spring 6.3%.